Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.